Hi. In this video, we will quickly overview PoCare LED Pool Light Bulb 120 volt 45 watt. PoCare RGB LED Pool Light is a great 300 to 400 watt traditional lamp replacement. This LED pool light works well with Pentair and Hayward fixture, has up to 7 fixed color and 5 vivid color show modes. IP65 waterproof standard design effectively extends the life of LED pool light. With correct installation, the bulb lifespan can be as long as 50,000 hours. Supports remote and switch control. Features: many light choices, easy to install and use, super bright and energy saving, 120 volt 35 watt. Read the instructions before installation and use. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.